Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to use what3words in TripGo. TripGo is a well-known trip planning app, and it's one of the best. Once you open the app, the interface is fairly simple. You have the current location and your destination right here. You can enter 3-word addresses in both text boxes, but most of the time people navigate from their current location. So let's get to it. Now I'm going to enter the destination 3-word address right here. I'm going to enter filled count soap, as it's where the headquarters of what3words is located. And once you click on the green route button, it gives you options. Now, depending on your transportation means, you can choose anything you want. It shows you walking time. You can click on the cycling option if you cycle often, or you can choose the other options like driving or using public transportation to get your destination. And that's it.